In primetime news this evening, the saga between the state and the Accompong Maroons is deepening, while Maroons are now demanding an apology from the Prime Minister. Residents in mining areas in St. Anne react to the issuance of the new mining permit to Noranda, and more COVID worry as cases continue to rise. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we are asking, what are your views on the standoff between the government and the Accompong Maroon chief? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.